Make sure that you're comfortable, that you have everything you need in order to really enjoy this session. We're going to spend the first part of the session going through a few breathing and vocal exercises that are going to help you to really activate and open up your voice. And then we're going to spend the second part of the session really diving into the bliss of using our voice to connect to the power of mantra and allowing that mantra and the energy of mantra to just really resonate and move through us. So make sure you're cozy, make sure you have everything that's going to support you through the session. Of course, feel free to have a pen and paper nearby if that would be helpful for you to take notes. Make sure that you have, for example, a cup of tea, preferably a non-caffeinated beverage nearby, water, anything that's going to support your experience. A cuddle animal, for example, a cat or your dog, or anything that's going to be nice. Okay. Thanks so much for joining me for this beautiful OmStars session. I'm really looking forward to it. It's such a pleasure for me to be here with you. It's really a joy for me to work in collaboration with OmStars. I love the platform. I love the team, as I imagine you do too. This is Finding Your Voice Through Mantra. In case you don't know me, my name is Kirbanu. I'm an Australian. I've been living in Germany, in the south of Germany, just south of Frankfurt actually, for the last 12 years. And that is, of course, where I am joining you from for this live session. Before we get into the voice, before we get into the exercises, I would just love to take a moment with you here to just connect to ourselves and also intentionally connect our energy together, because although we are online, we really are connected in this space virtually at the moment. So just finding a moment to take a comfortable seat, a comfortable position for yourself. If you wish to, closing your eyes, grounding down through your seat. And taking a few mindful breaths here to bring your awareness back within. Whatever has been happening before you came to your mat to join me for this experience, just allowing that to let go on the breath and utilizing breath awareness to bring your attention back inside yourself. This vast, infinite being of love that you are. Following the flow of the breath as it moves into you and as it moves out of you, like the waves of the ocean, bringing with it new energy, new possibilities as you breathe in, and gifting you the opportunity to let go of anything you no longer need as you breathe out. Bringing your awareness to your seat, aware of your connection to Mother Earth beneath you. That wonderful support, that nurturing energy of the earth that is always there for you, beneath you. Bringing your awareness very slowly from the base of your spine up through the heart center to the shoulders, allowing your shoulders to soften and drop down. Extending the awareness all the way up through the crown of your head as you connect up to the universe, to the sky above you. With your next in-breath, raising both arms and bringing the hands together above your head. Breathing out, bringing the hands at your heart center in Anjali Mudra. Taking a moment to feel this connection between your thumbs and your chest. Aware of this connection to your breath, to yourself, to your heart, the seed of bhakti. And we'll begin our session with one Om together. Taking a breath in for Om. Om. Slowly opening your eyes when you're ready. So throughout this session, I really invite you to come back into this space of self-awareness, especially later as we're singing the mantras. I invite you to even lay a hand upon your heart and really feel this connection into your heart. Mantra singing, mantra chanting is a form of bhakti yoga, and bhakti is the path of love and devotion. Now, we often think about this as a form of love and devotion for something that is outside of us, perhaps our own version of God, or a relationship, or a friend, or the relationship of a mother to a child, or a father to a child. But I also invite you through the session today to consider this relationship of your heart to yourself. So this really idea of self-love, this idea that the entire universe exists inside of you. Everything that is godlike about your experience, about the universe, and all that is beyond, all that we can't even begin to understand, it also exists inside of you. So by putting the hand across the heart center, it gives you a point of contact to come back into this heart connection, to not just give the energy outside of yourself, but rather at first, as we chant the mantras later, to really tune in and allow this energy to fill up your cup first, to offer this as a sense of self-service, as a sense of self-love, filling up your cup first, so that just like a lighthouse, a beautiful, strong, powerful lighthouse, you become so vibrant with the energy of the mantra, with the energy of this sense of self-love, offering to ourselves, a form of serving bhakti through connecting within, that eventually this energy just pours out of you. So I'm going to come back and remind you of this concept before we start singing our mantras for today.